Welcome to another DataHub training. Today we will go ahead and do CSV importation into MagicDraw. The best way to get started is to make sure your tools have been deployed. You would have done this during your install of CameoDataHub. Please make sure that your files that you are looking to import are correct. Today we will focus in just in the MagicDraw UML 17.0.4. My tool is up and running. So let's go ahead and get out of this, and you'll get a server perspective. If this does not automatically populate, please go to View Server Perspective, and we're going to go ahead and start our server. Once the server is started, you will want to go to View and Agent Perspective. Click CSV and press Start. Then either add a data source, or in this case I have a data source, so let's highlight it and then connect it. This is an easy way to keep track of your files. You can also do this in the DataHub Explorer once inside of MagicDraw. I will show you as we go there now. Once we deployed a new file with MagicDraw, it's best that we go ahead and start the DataHub Explorer. So you go to Tools, Requirements, DataHub, and say Connect to Server. You can see on the right hand side, DataHub Explorer is now open. You have the plus boxes to the files that have been connected, MagicDraw on the bottom and the CSV on the right. Since we're going to be playing in the CSV, you can see that this file has been connected because the data source is blue. Hit the plus sign and you can see all line items from your CSV file. Let's go ahead and move these over to MagicDraw, but before we do that, let's go ahead and add a package called GUI Requirements. So what we'll do, click on Data, right click, New Element, Package, GUI Requirements will be the name. When using the CSV import export, you need to be on the export data capability of CameoDataHub. Once that is selected, you have the ability to move all at one time or individually. My recommendation is to do one record and get the mappings correct, and then go ahead and build the rest. For this instance, the DataHub Explorer window will open. Today we're going to do an individual. We want to highlight this, and we're just going to move this over as a simple class. We want the name to be the number, and then we want the documentation to be the text. For this demonstration, we're not going to pull %complete or status due to the fact that they are blank in my document. With this being complete, we can then now map. You can see that it's been populated here. For us to see this requirement, let's go ahead and make a UML class diagram shown here, and let's make some room. We can now drag and drop this particular class and see all the information we need. If we highlight this, we can then see the documentation of what the requirement is. This works well in the Systems Engineering SysML plugin, where you have the ability to import-export directly as requirements. But for this example, this is what we're looking for. And let's go ahead and move the rest on over. Now you notice that it's still in the same order as before. We have the ability to regroup and move these around.